Imagine a world where citizenship isn't tied to where you're born, but the choices you make. A place where governance isn't handled by politicians, but by algorithms and smart contracts. Welcome to the concept of a decentralized autonomous country. A country that exists entirely on the blockchain. Now, what exactly is a decentralized autonomous country? In essence, a DAC is a digital nation state powered entirely by blockchain technology. It operates without centralized governments or traditional institutions. Instead, it's governed by Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, or DAOs for short, where decision making is transparent, democratic, and coded into the system itself. In DAC, citizenship isn't about your passport. It's about joining the blockchain network, staking tokens, and agreeing to abide by the smart contracts that act as the country's laws. Let's break this down. First of all, governance. In a DAC, laws and policies are proposed and voted on by the citizens directly. Every vote is recorded on the blockchain, ensuring transparency and accountability. Imagine logging into a secure app to vote on tax rates or infrastructure projects, all from the comfort of your own home. Second, economy. Traditional currencies are replaced with cryptocurrency. Every transaction, from buying groceries to paying taxes, happens on the blockchain. This reduces corruption and enhances efficiency. And then there's identity. Your DAC identity could be stored on a secure blockchain wallet, holding everything from your medical records to your voting history, accessible only by you. But wait, how does this futuristic vision align with today's reality? One major challenge is legal recognition. Countries today are defined by physical territories, and international law doesn't yet recognize a virtual nation. DAC citizens might face issues like visa restrictions or access to traditional financial systems. Then there is jurisdiction. If a DAC member violates the laws coded onto the blockchain, who enforces the punishment? Without physical presence, enforcement becomes a challenge. There is also the risk of centralization within decentralization. Large stakeholders in the DAC could gain disproportionate influence, leading to unequal power dynamics, the very problem DACs aim to solve. Despite these challenges, the idea of a decentralized autonomous country isn't entirely far-fetched. Think of how DAOs have already redefined organizational structures. The principles of transparency, inclusivity, and automation that drive DAOs could scale to the level of a nation. Real-world examples hint at this possibility. Take projects like Bitnation, which offers blockchain-based governance services, or Estonia's e-Residency program, which allows global citizens to participate in a digital nation. So what's next? For DACs to become a reality, several things need to happen. Firstly, legal frameworks must evolve to recognize virtual nations. Secondly, blockchain technology needs to overcome its current limitations. Lastly, global cooperation is essential to integrate DACs into the existing geopolitical landscape. But perhaps the most critical element is trust. As DACs challenge traditional notions of governance, people must trust the technology and the communities behind them. The concept of a decentralized autonomous country pushes the boundaries of what we consider a nation. While it's not yet a reality, it offers a glimpse into a future where governance is transparent, inclusive, and borderless. Could this be the next step in human evolution? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.